Hello everyone, welcome back to Sydney and Starlet, and if you are new here, welcome! Enjoy the videos. So today, me and Sydney are going to be assembling this Oh Holy Night Nativity puzzle, and it includes 24 pieces. So let's begin. First things first, this entire thing is covered with plastic. Here's the back of it, by the way. So let's undo this. Oh, I thought there was already a slit. I guess not. Well, I have scissors here. So let's cut a slit, maybe right on the edge. Right there. There we go. Now Sydney is going to open this. Can you say open? Oh, big open. Yeah. Hold on, you're off camera. Come here. Okay. So, oh yeah, you can remove this. It's a piece of cardboard. Oh, so the entire back of it was cardboard. I see. So we could get rid of this. And now we are going to completely undo this puzzle. So let's just flip it. Here we go. And the back is just wooden. Now let's undo all the pieces. This is a solid wooden puzzle. Whoa. They're like stuck together. Not all of them are stuck together. So some of these pieces, you kind of have to snap them, and then they come apart, but then you see all the cardboard debris. Okay, so first things first is we have our board here. And so now that we have all the pieces spread out, let's start off with the corners. So I spy with my little eye a corner right here. And if I remember correctly, I think that went on this side. Sydney, can you help me find another corner? Let's see. Oh, here's another corner. Would that be... Oh yeah, and let's just use this cardboard piece for reference. So this looks like it would be down here. So can you put this puzzle piece on the left bottom corner? Right here. Thank you. Now let's get the other corners. We have 2 more corners to go. So this looks like it would also be on the ground. So can you place this right there? And that means our last corner would be right up here. And our last corner is... Gotta try to find it. Here it is. It's off camera. Look at the little sparkles, the little stars. Place it in that corner. Place it in this corner. Maybe not. Is that? No, yeah, that goes there. Can you place it? No, wait. I see, it's different. So this one is what goes right here. And this one goes right there. Place it on that corner. There we go, we figure it out. Sydney knew something was off. Now, let's try to finish this tree. So I see on this, there's a part of the shepherds, but this does not look like right here. So this would go on this side somewhere, so probably around here. And now, let's connect this right there. I could see there's part of a camel eyeball, and this is the rest. So can you place that right there? Yeah, so you gotta connect it right over here. Does not want to go into place. There it goes. And now it connects right there. So we are putting together the 3 wise men, but we need to find their heads. We can't have 3 wise men without their heads. So I think these belong to them. And no, these don't belong there. This looks like it would go right here. Can you place that down? Yes, good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to find the piece that goes to the donkey or the horse. No, I think that's like a horse. So we need to find a horse eyeball. Let's see. I found a chicken, but where's a horse? Do you see the horse? Where's the horse? Do you see where that goes? No, that doesn't go there. It probably goes somewhere right here. Okay, well, since we're starting with this, let's finish Joseph. We got Joseph and Mother Mary and the baby Jesus. And we see their heads right here. And there's the horse. There's where the horse connects. So that would connect right there. Bring this up right there. Now push down. There we go. Nice. So now we need to finish Mary's clothes, which is right here. Can you put that down? Good. So far, we finished putting together Joseph, Mary, Jesus, and this little angel, and the 3 wise men, and the chicken. But now we need heads for the shepherds, which is right here. Let's move all these pieces closer down so you can see it on camera. These are all the pieces left. Can you put this right here? They go right here. You did it! Now, Sydney, let's place the edge pieces and this piece, which I'm pretty sure would be this. Yes. Now, oh yeah, this goes right there. And this does not go here, but it looks like it would go on this side. Why is there a piece of cardboard? There you go. Get that? That's great. We are almost done. So now this piece would go right there. It's a perfect fit. Can you put it there? No, that does not go there. It goes here. Sydney, you gotta put it down right there. Whoa, just be gentle. Well, it's hard to be gentle when it doesn't want to go in. This puzzle isn't the most user-friendly. It goes here. You could see it. Wow, this background music is perfect for the situation. Okay, let's just do it one at a time. So this needs to fit there, and this needs to fit there. Okay, we got it. This piece, we finish off the Star of Bethlehem, and this, what looks like a palm tree. Great. Sydney, can you figure out where the last 2 puzzle pieces go? You can look by this. Where did they go? Can you find it? I'm getting warmer. Yes. So close. Yay, you did it! We finished the Nativity puzzle. Can you say hooray?
What?
Hooray! I'm so proud of you, Sydney. That was awesome. Besides the fact that the puzzles didn't really want to fit together, even though it was the correct spaces for them. Anyway, so can you find the baby Jesus?
What's this?
Where's Jesus?
What's this?
Jesus is right there. It's the baby Jesus.
What's this?
And this is Mother Mary.
Mary.
And this is Joseph.
What's this?
Joseph. Who are these people? The 3 wise men.
What have make?
These are the people that bring gifts to the baby Jesus. And what's this?
Oh, yes.
That's a chicken. And what's that?
Horse.
And what's this?
Seas.
Sheep. And these are the shepherds. And this is the Star of Bethlehem. And that looks like a little angel right there. That's very sweet. On Christmas will be Jesus's birthday, which is this whole nativity scene right here. So that is it for today, everyone. I really hope you all enjoyed it, and we'll see you all next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Horse.
Horse. Merry Christmas.